Myself, Dr. D.T. Sakre, Shivaji Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kannad District, Aurangabad, Maharashtra in India. My topic name is nanotechnology, nanotechnology for herbal medicine and its uses. Nanotechnology is based on the recognition of particle less than the size of 100 nanometer, and it is the energizing and manufacturing of material at the atomic and molecular scale. The use of nanotechnology for phytotherapy or treatment of various diseases by herbal medicine drug, including herbal drug delivery, where current and emerging nanotechnology could enable entirely novel classes of therapeutical has been reported. The researchers have succeeded in using nanotechnology to insert and simultaneously active the genes delivered into plant cell walls. The nanomaterials has significantly enhances the pharmacogenetics and therapeutics index of plant origin drug. Interesting pharmaceutical sciences are using nanoparticle to reduce toxicity and side effect of drugs. The chemists are using nanotechnology for plant research to be applied as phytotherapy. The nanoparticles, so called mesoporous, introduce the gene and activate it in the species precise and controlled manner in some conditions or diseases. The use of nanotechnology in medicine and more specially drug delivery is set to separate rapidly. Presently, many substances are under investigation of drug delivery and more essentially for cancer therapy. Interesting pharmaceutical sciences are using nanoparticles to reduce toxicity and side effects of drugs. From a positive view that exceptionally the potential to across the blood-brain barrier may open new way for drug delivery into the brain. In addition, the nano size also allows for access into the cell and various cellular compartments including the nucleus. A multiple of substances are currently under investigation for the preparation of nanoparticle for drug delivery, varying from biological substances like aluminum, gelatin and phospholipids for liposomes and more substances of a chemical nature like various polymers and solid metals containing nanoparticles. In Ayurveda, 7 metals wise gold, silver, copper, iron, lead, tin and zinc are used therapeutically. The metals are passed through many processes and finally transformed into therapeutic form for various diseases. Bhasma are the metal based medicine prepared from metal after many systematic process to raw metals into therapeutic form. The particle of size Swarna Bhasma, that is the gold as a therapeutic form of gold metal of nano size particle with evaluated from various tools and techniques is about 56 nanometer. The Bhasma are metallomedicine in powder form of nano to sub-micron size particle. raw metal is converted into therapeutic form through the classical process by repeated incineration and grading with some herbal juice and other specified matter. Speciality of the preparation process is that the whole process is not a chemical based, rather it is a fully a mechanical process and chemical properties much differ to the nanoparticle prepared. Conclusion: nanotechnology has the property of the self targeting in the sense that without the attachment of specific ligand, the nanoparticles can be used for trapping due to their disconnectively small size at the infiltrated pathological area. The treatment of chronic disease like cancer using targeted drug delivery nanoparticles in the last achievement of nanotechnology by analyzing the relation between nanotechnology and biological medicine in application of nanotechnological method for bio bioavailability enhancement of herbal drugs can be brought about with the application of nanotechnology of nanomization of herbal medicine or herbal drugs. It will make the development of nano herbal medicine or drugs possessing high bioavailability, which consistently will open the new era of herbal drug discovery. At present, several nano drugs are under investigation for drug delivery and more is especially for cancer therapy. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.